What if I told you you could create a full AI UGC ad without knowing anything about scripting, editing, or even marketing? It's super simple. Just drop in an idea, and the AI builds everything around it. In this video, I'll show you how to turn your product into a ready-to-post video using TagShop AI's new agent feature.
Step 1. Drop in your product. Start by adding your product. You can paste a URL, upload an image, or just describe it in one sentence. For example, create a UGC-style TikTok ad for my moisturizer. Yes, that's it. No long forms, no overthinking. Try not to panic at how easy this is. Step 2. Chat with the AI agent. Now, just chat with the AI agent. It'll ask a few simple questions like your tone, audience, and where you want to post. Nothing technical, just answer naturally. Think of it like a quick conversation where you explain what you want. And don't worry if you're not sure about everything. The AI helps fill in the gaps as you go. Step 3. Generate your video. Once you're done chatting, the agent gets to work. It will write a UGC-style script, pick a native avatar for you, add a voiceover in your language, and generate a complete video using Cdance 2.0. You get a fully edited, export-ready video. No timeline, no editing software, and yes, it's optimized to convert. So that's it.
You give one input, have a short chat, and get a complete video ad without knowing what you're doing. The link to try is in the description. Go create your first video. It literally takes 2 minutes. And if this helped you, hit like and subscribe. I'll be sharing more of these time-saving tools every week.